One of the most important functions of any government is to spend public funds effectively. But how can policymakers work out what to spend and where to spend it to help them achieve their aims? Should healthcare get a larger slice of the pie than education? Should economic growth be supported above environmental concerns? In reality, it's hard to measure the effectiveness of any intervention, as governments operate thousands of programmes. And because no programme stands in isolation, spending in one sector is certain to have spillover effects for others. Sometimes those effects are positive synergies with multiple benefits. Other times there can be negative trade-offs that bring real costs. Measuring them requires what is known as multidimensional impact evaluation. This is where the Policy Priority Inference tool can help. It allows users to compare possible futures and alternate histories, to understand where resources are being wasted and how they could be better spent. PPI uses a behaviourally realistic AI model to simulate the policy-making process. It considers how governments and public bodies actually behave, helping you to include political economy factors in your thinking, and it takes specific country-level features into account, such as the quality of monitoring, the rule of law, inefficiencies, and social norms. As a starting point, PPI takes 3 key data types as its inputs: development indicators, government spending, and interdependencies. From these inputs, PPI will simulate detailed counterfactuals, allowing you to ask your what-if questions about public spending. The PPI web application allows you to analyse and interpret your data through a simple, clear interface and without the need for any coding. And it provides interactive visualisations of the outputs for rapid understanding and comparison. We've created 5 tutorial videos that show you how to use the PPI app, from formatting and uploading your data to visualising and downloading the outputs. We hope you enjoy the app. Use it. Share it.